Hey guys, my name is Neil Duplessis and I'm the facilitator for the elastic resistance and battle rope course. What that means is we use elastic band principles with battle rope training in order to get an upper and a lower body workout. We don't just use standard elastic bands, although at the end of this training you are going to have a better knowledge of how to use resistance band training within your normal regime. But what we do is we use a combination of the two called the Gunix. The Gunix is a battle rope which is heavy enough to be slammed, you're doing waves with, as well as it stretches. So that gives you great opportunity to not only work your upper body, but your lower body as well, with the use of our trusty harnesses. So we have a hip as well as a full body harness in order for you to hit every single muscle in your lower body. If you're a fitness professional, whether you have a fitness instructor qualification, personal trainer, sports conditioning, or sports coach qualification, then this course is definitely for you. What we do is we teach you the foundation movements. We teach you about body positioning, stance, as well as body orientation, so that you can create workouts or complete workouts from scratch, as well as learning how to make your own movements. Once you know the basics, we're then going to incorporate HIIT and metabolic training principles so that you can make goal-specific workouts for either your clients or for an entire team. Once you've completed the course, you've got a lot of opportunities in order to continue your education as well as continually use resources through a digital app technology. So we're going to give you an app to use 100% free that you can design and save your own workouts on, as well as if you follow us on social media, we do a workout of the week every single week. We'll show you how to work in different spectrums in terms of if it's a beginner, intermediate or advanced workout. This elastic resistance and battle rope style of training, as well as incorporated with the product called the Gunix, is already being used in South Africa. So the Highveld Lions as well as the Sharks Academy have already purchased this product. Register now for our launch special price for only 1,950 Rand. For registrations, go to HFPA's website. For product orders, go to Origin Fitness.